Hey guys, welcome back to our own channel for you. In this video, we're gonna see how easy it is to install Signal app on Mac. Let's start. Open Google Chrome, then search for Signal download, enter. Go to the first website. Here under Signal for desktop, click on this option, download for Mac, since we are on Mac. Now the Signal desktop file, the DMG file, is being downloaded as you see here. So the file size is 141 MB. It shouldn't take more than a few seconds. Still downloading. "15 seconds left. No more than that. Still downloading. It's 09 MB downloaded. Few seconds left, and it's done. Now click on this DMG file. Okay. Now press and hold the Signal icon and drag it to applications folder. Now the application icon will be copied to the Signal application icon will be copied to applications folder. It's done already. Now you can either go to the application folder and double click on the Signal icon, or you can double click on the Signal icon on this window. Double click. I'll just minimize this Chrome window here. Okay, now it is a confirmation. It says that the Signal application has been downloaded from internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, we are sure. Click on open. Now the application has been opened. Now in order to get it configured completely, you need to open the Signal application on your mobile phone. Then you need to go to Signal settings. Then there you will have an option to link a device. So under linked device option, you need to click on link new device option. Then you can then scan this QR code, right? Just get this QR code scanned on your mobile. Once the QR code has been scanned, your contacts and your groups will start syncing, which would take a little while. So once the sync has been completed, you should be able to see all your contacts and your groups on this application on your Mac. Yep. So that's all for today. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching the video, and you all have a good day.